Good morning, Ghostie. Please, let me sleep.
Jim, I've got a party on Saturday.
What did you say?
I've got a party on Saturday.
What day is it today?
Today's Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, Sunday again. A party. I've got a party on Saturday.
It's Sunday today. Be quiet, Ghostie. Please go away.
Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. It's Sunday.